Good morning. This is an install video for the LX LED taillights fitting a Jeep Wrangler JL 2018-1920. The box, you obviously get two taillights. These will replace my current incandescent taillights that have had a bit of damage and obviously need replacing. The tools you will need: flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm socket. Install time should be less than 45 minutes. Now let's get started. Step one, removing the taillight. Made it a little easy. I've removed my rear window. If you have the power top, that's an option. Otherwise, just reach in. Flathead screwdriver, remove the cover without breaking the clip. 10mm socket. Simply remove the bolt. Now that we have our headlight out, we simply want to unplug our harness and remove our headlight over to a table. From the table, we will need to remove the bracket. There are 1, 2, 3 screws that hold this in. And a clip, which should just pop right off. Back side of the tail lights, side by side. This bracket must be removed and put onto the new one. As I said, there's simply 3 screws that hold it in place, and then it mounts onto this one the identical way. You do not need to worry about removing that clip. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 screws to tighten up on the bracket. Once you have the bracket securely fastened, simply plug in your harness. Place the taillight back in the slot. Grab your bolt, put it back in, and begin to tighten. And simply tighten up your bolt. Once tight, you're then going to replace your cover. New tail light. Original tail light. Same process for the other side. Make access to your tail light. Remove the 10mm spring bolt. Remove your tail light and unplug your harness, which I've already done in this particular case. Passenger side, you're going to remove the 3 bolts. And you're going to simply remove this, and we're going to put it on the new taillight, as so.